this is actually very interesting, ladies. Kay, again, kani siya nga history rarely or never been discussed in public schools. Maybe in university, basin sa college when you study specific kanang kurso, then if you go into history or politics or something, maybe then you will talk about this kind of kanang topics like the pre-colonial era, the Spanish era, the American era, like that. Maybe if you study law, maybe not maybe, I think, I'm not so sure because, I'm not a lawyer. I believe nga then you will study history if you study law. Pero kasagaran nato kung ang ato ang kurso is dili related sa law or not necessarily covering a lot of history sa Pilipinas and the world, for sure wala mo kahibalo ani atong tabian karon. O kung gikan man gani kag public schools, high school graduate ra ka or ang imong kurso is like I said dili, especially mag-abogado ka or anything nga kurso nga kailangan nimo studyhan ang history sa Pilipinas, then wala jud ka kahibalo ani atong tabian karon. Kani nga atong tabian karon, importante kay ni nga makasabot ta